Hey everyone, I'm recording this on Wednesday, September 2nd, right in the middle of week 2. I hope you all are immersed in the course content regarding research methods and why and how we do research in the field of psychology to better our understanding, or more of a scientific understanding of human behavior, and always going back to the question of why we do what we do. So that's going on this week. Don't forget about your reflection essays and your discussions as well. I wanted to bring your attention to an assignment that's coming up. That's the biopsychosocial personal essay. And note that it is a personal essay, so again, this is another chance for you to apply the information excuse me, that you're learning in this chapter in perspectives in particular. So this is this information here is in our week 2 module, and it's just about halfway down. It is not due this week. As you can see, it's due on September 14th. So these alerts, if you will, of assignments that are coming up, other than the regular weekly and or reflection essays that are regular in this class, this is a separate assignment, and I will always have some kind of video to discuss this as well, so you are aware and given like a 2-week alert of when this is due. So today is September 2nd, this is due September 14th. So this is going to take this sort of more comprehensive perspective that combines the biosocial and psychological perspective and looks at the role that these three play in your life. So what role does the biological perspective play in your life? Again, so you're going to look at things like your genetics, your personality, your sex, your gender, whether mental illness or physical illness has played a role in your life. The psychological is something about your self-concept, your confidence, your attitudes about yourself and others, the world. Mental health could certainly be there. Things like anxiety, fears, coping strategies. And third is the social environment in which you grew up in. That includes your family of origin, your peers, experiences, education. Experiences, again, can be positive or negative. Some of us have had some very profound experiences in our life that have certainly shaped us. So these three perspectives interact with each other and have influenced who you are. And in the essay itself, you're going to, I'm just going to click on this for a second, and I'll wrap up in just less than a minute. You're going to take that perspective and you're going to apply it to yourself. You're going to have to explain each of the three perspectives, the bio, the psycho, and the social. You're going to have to give 2 examples for each of those perspectives, 2 for the bio, 2 for the psycho, and 2 for the social, environmental one. And explain how those examples have affected you. So when you look in the mirror and what you see and what you feel and how you think and how you behave, what has influenced all of that behavior? And then that's worth 24 of the 30 points, and then there's just a few extra points for an intro and conclusion, APA style, and whether your paper length is under or over. You can go under slightly and over slightly, but not more than maybe a sentence or 2. So just try to really do a succinct 2-page essays. So again, that paper is due on September 14th. It's always due at 7 p.m., these extra 3 papers. So make sure you're following the rubric. This information, again, is all on your week 2 content. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. The assignment sheet gives lots of good information. So I look forward to reading about that. And just remember, this is about applying this perspective to yourself. It's not about just talking about the perspective. It's about you and how you relate to these 3 perspectives in your life. That's it. Talk to you guys soon.